In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Firefox notifications on startup in just a few simple steps. If you're tired of websites constantly asking for notification permission every time you open Firefox, this quick fix will help you clean that up and take control of your browser. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all of your browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the main preferences page for Firefox, where you can change privacy, security, and permission options. Once you're in settings, look for the permissions section. This is where Firefox manages things like camera access, microphone access, location, and notifications. Now click Notifications. Under the notification settings, you'll see an option that controls whether websites can ask for permission to send notifications. Check the box that says Block New Requests asking to allow notifications. This is the key step that stops new notification pop-ups from appearing when websites try to request access. After selecting that option, click Save Changes to apply the setting. Once you save it, Firefox will stop showing those startup notification requests going forward. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Firefox notifications on startup. It only takes a moment, but it can make your browsing much cleaner and less distracting. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful browser tips, fixes, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.